close to 9 p.m. So I had a pop-up shop I did in the morning, and then I did that till around 3. Came home, relaxed for a little bit, went and got tea from the donut shop, unloaded my inventory, put everything back and organized it, and then just hung out the rest of the day. At home, we got pizza. It was really good. We had like a super early dinner. I'm working on 2 Valentine's Day products that's going to be going in the local store that I have my stuff in. Like the #1 product that always sells so good is my lavender hair scrub. I think I'm gonna cut today's vlog short because I don't really have anything else I'm doing and I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm just gonna cut the vlog here, and I'll pick it up tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Hopefully something that's not at home, but we shall see. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Went to the mall today, it's Sunday, to find a t-shirt or 2, and they didn't really have any, so I didn't end up getting anything. But I forgot to vlog today, but Layla's taking a nap right now, so after she wakes up, I'll vlog. Hey guys, it's Monday. I am still super congested. My cold hit me so bad yesterday. I just stopped recording and pretty much relaxed and just hung out with Cody and Layla. I still feel the same today, but I don't know. This is like the 2nd week now that I'm sick, or I'm on like day 12, I think. I don't know. I've been so stuffed up forever. I'm so ready for this to be over. And on top of it, it's raining today. And it's very gloomy, and I have Rudy right here. I'm watching Last Man Standing. We're getting our plumbing redone tomorrow in the morning. So hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. And I don't know. I'll pick up the camera a couple times today and vlog, but it's just mainly gonna be an at-home sick vlog. This has mainly been, which is pretty boring. So I reopened my Twitter, and then I had it for like 3 days, and I ended up deleting it because it's just, what do you tweet about? I don't know. So I just got rid of that, and I'm not really into tweeting like I was 6-7 years ago. But anyway, I will pop back on here later. Cheese right now from the donut shop. It's super good. It's a ham and cheese on a yummy buttery croissant. It's so good.